Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you beautiful paver patio pergola design ideas and tips for decorating perfect outdoor paver patio with stunning pergola. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For those seeking to elevate their outdoor living space, a paver patio pergola design offers a captivating solution. But what exactly does this term encompass, and how can you leverage its potential to create a backyard haven? This comprehensive guide, courtesy of the Homes Decor Designs channel, Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel, delves into the world of paver patio pergolas, providing answers to your burning questions and inspiring design ideas. A paver patio pergola is a synergistic outdoor space that combines the elegance of a pergola with the functionality of a paver patio. A pergola is a freestanding structure with an open roof, typically constructed from wood, vinyl, or metal. The open roof allows dappled sunlight to filter through, creating a pleasant ambience. Pavers, on the other hand, are interlocking stones used to create a durable and stylish patio surface. By combining these elements, you create a defined outdoor area perfect for relaxation, entertaining, or simply enjoying the serenity of your backyard. While a paver patio offers a beautiful and functional space, incorporating a pergola unlocks a multitude of benefits. Sun control. The open roof of a pergola provides much-needed shade during the hottest hours of the day, allowing you to enjoy your patio for extended periods. Defines outdoor living space. A pergola visually defines your patio, creating a distinct area within your backyard. This separation fosters a sense of intimacy and purpose. Architectural interest. Pergolas add a touch of architectural flair to your backyard, elevating its overall aesthetic appeal. Versatility. Pergolas can be customized to suit your style. You can add climbing vines, shade sails, or even retractable roofs for added functionality. Transforming your paver patio pergola into a personal oasis hinges on thoughtful decoration. Here are some key considerations. Furniture. Opt for comfortable and weather-resistant outdoor furniture. Dining sets, lounge chairs, and ottomans are excellent choices depending on your intended use. Lighting. String lights, lanterns, or strategically placed wall sconces create a magical ambience after dark. Textiles. Introduce warmth and color with throw pillows, rugs, and outdoor curtains. Greenery. Climbing vines on the pergola structure or potted plants around the perimeter add a touch of nature and soften the overall look. Accessories. Outdoor art, water features, or a fire pit can further personalize your space and enhance its functionality. When selecting items for your paver patio pergola, prioritize functionality and aesthetics. Here are some key considerations for best items to put under your paver patio pergola. First, furniture. The ideal furniture choices depend on your intended use. For dining, opt for a weather-resistant dining set with comfortable chairs. If relaxation is the focus, consider lounge chairs, ottomans, or a sectional sofa. Second, rugs. Area rugs can define the space, add a pop of color, and provide comfort underfoot. Choose weather-resistant outdoor rugs that can withstand sun and rain. Third, fire pit. A fire pit adds warmth, ambience, and a focal point to your patio. Consider incorporating built-in seating around the fire pit for a more cohesive look. Fourth, water feature. The soothing sound of trickling water creates a tranquil atmosphere. Explore options like small tabletop fountains, wall fountains, or even a built-in water feature. Fifth, outdoor kitchen. For the ultimate entertaining space, consider incorporating an outdoor kitchen under your pergola. This could include a built-in grill, countertop space, and storage. And to complete your inspiration, here are the top 10 best paver patio pergola design ideas that you can try to choose. 1. Rustic retreat. Combine natural stone pavers with a rough-hewn wooden pergola draped in climbing vines. 2. Modern oasis. Opt for sleek concrete pavers and a minimalist metal pergola for a contemporary aesthetic. 3. Mediterranean marvel. Terracotta pavers paired with a whitewashed wooden pergola and terracotta pots overflowing with vibrant flowers create a sun-drenched retreat. 4. Cozy corner. A small, square-shaped pergola with built-in seating on a paver patio offers an intimate space for conversation. 5. Culinary canvas. Elevate your outdoor dining experience with a large pergola over a paver patio with a built-in grill or outdoor kitchen. 6. Shady sanctuary. Utilize shade sails or retractable awnings on your pergola for maximum sun control and comfortable lounging. 7. Sparkling soiree. String lights and a sparkling fire pit transform your paver patio pergola into an enchanting space for evening gatherings. 8. Waterfront relaxation. For a waterfront property, consider a natural stone pergola with sheer curtains to create a breezy escape. 9. Tropical paradise. Create a lush escape with vibrant pavers, a wooden pergola adorned with colorful hanging plants, and a water feature. 10. Privacy paradise. Plant tall bamboo or fencing around the perimeter of your paver patio pergola for added seclusion. By embracing the possibilities of paver patio pergola design, you unlock the potential to transform your backyard into a functional and aesthetically pleasing haven. Remember, personalization is key. Experiment with different design elements and find what resonates most with your style and needs. Head over to the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for even more inspiring patio design ideas and expert advice on creating the perfect outdoor oasis. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never miss our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.